Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. This is Real Leather Certified Career Coach. Welcome back to my channel, your dedicated space for unraveling the intricacies of career advancement, fluctuating job market, and exploring strategies for career success. Today, our topic is how to energize your resume to be a memorable candidate and increase your chances of getting an interview. We'll discuss strategies to showcase your achievements using descriptive action words, illustrate engagement and collaboration, as well as provide examples to help you stand out as a candidate who is ready for success. Let's dive right in. Let's address using descriptive action words. Let's start with the power language. Descriptive action words breathe life into your resume and convey energy and purpose. Phrases like spearheaded, transformed, optimized, and orchestrated immediately suggest action and initiative. For example, instead of responsible for managing a team, say orchestrated a high performing team of 10, achieving a 30% increase in project completion and efficiency. By selecting active, powerful words, you emphasize your role as a productive, proactive, results oriented professional. Now let's look at how to highlight accomplishments and achievements. Emphasize your accomplishments and achievements. A resume that lists job tasks can't capture your unique value. Specific, measurable outcomes highlight the impact you've had. For example, instead of handled customer service inquiries, say resolve 200 plus customer service inquiries monthly, achieving a 95% satisfaction rate and reducing average response time by 20%. So clearly, it's not enough just to say you did something. Showing your achievements adds a level of credibility and demonstrates your ability to make a difference. Quantifying your impact using metrics like percentage, revenue, or savings makes your contributions tangible. Your numbers should reflect your actual success, but if you must jog your memory, do a rough calculation using the data you do have. It may not be possible for every accomplishment, so work with the information you have to get as close as possible to the real data. Should your future employer verify your claim, you'll want your numbers to be at least in the ballpark. Now let's talk about showcasing engagement and collaboration. Employers want candidates who thrive in team environments. Words like collaborated, coordinated, and engaged reflect your ability to work well with others. For example, instead of work with different departments, say collaborated with cross-functional teams from marketing and finance to streamline a product launch, resulting in a 15% reduction in allotted time frame. This example shows active engagement with team members combined with a tangible outcome, underscoring your commitment to organizational goals and teamwork. Now, let's talk about demonstrating leadership and initiative. Highlighting leadership and initiative on your resume signals to employers that you're a candidate who doesn't just take on assignment tasks, but identifies opportunities to improve. Let's look at an example. Instead of assisted in developing a training program, say initiated and led a training program for 50 plus employees, enhancing onboarding efficiency. By framing your role in this way, you show that you're not just a participant, but an active driver of positive change within an organization. Now let's look at outcomes of projects and tasks. It's critical to include the outcomes of your projects and tasks. Employers need to see the results of your work, whether it's a project that increased revenue, saved time, or improved processes. For example, instead of completed administrative tasks, say streamlined administrative workflows, reducing monthly processing time by 40 hours and saving $10,000 annually. This approach demonstrates that you focus on efficiency and are able to achieve tangible results that align with the organization's goals. Now, continue to identify resume building opportunities as you develop in your role. To strengthen your resume continuously, look for ways to expand your impact at work. Engage in cross-departmental projects, volunteer to lead or contribute to projects, and seek feedback. Here are some examples. If you're part of a project team, look for ways to contribute beyond your role. Offer to organize meetings, gather data for analysis, or present findings. This proactive approach not only showcases leadership, but also provides material for accomplishments on your resume. These small actions can lead to significant achievements that enhance your resume with measurable outcomes. Let's bring all of these tips together with an example of a before and after transformation. Here's a before. Responsible for managing social media accounts and engaging with followers. Not bad, right? But here's how it can be better. Developed and executed a social media strategy that increased follower engagement by 60% and contributed to a 20% increase in monthly website traffic. This rephrase statement uses action words, highlights an achievement, and demonstrates initiative and links the work directly to business outcomes. Now, here's some final thoughts about your resume. By focusing on descriptive language, measurable outcomes, engagement, and leadership, you turn your resume into a compelling story of your professional journey. Your goal is to provide evidence that you're not just qualified, but will actively contribute to the success of any organization you join. And remember, take every opportunity on your resume to demonstrate action, engagement, and impact. When recruiters read it, they should see you as a high impact player ready to make a difference. I hope this prompts you to examine your skills presentation and are inspired to energize your resume by applying the tips in this recording. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next episode.